Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today to evaluate the given tablet sample. Tablets are defined as solid unit dosage from of medicaments intended for oral use. They become most popular as they were easy in preparation compared to any other type of dosage from, but the major drawback exists in its manufacturing. If any minor problem occurs during their manufacturing, then the whole batch of the unit is discarded. It is necessary to avoid any sort of errors during its manufacturing, and as a result, evaluation of tablets is very important before dispatching of batch. Before a tablet is released out into the market, it has to pass a few quality checks, which is mandatory. Evolution of tablet includes the assessment of tablets' physical, chemical, and biological properties. Firstly, appearance. Appearance is the most required quality for acceptance of tablet. Generally, elegance and its identity play a major role for consumer acceptance. Acceptance of the appearance of base of the tablet has been done based on the measurement of following factors like size, color, shape, presence or absence of odor, taste, etc. Second, thickness. Micrometer is the device which is used to determine the thickness of tablet. Minimum 10 tablets are evaluated for the thickness. It can be acceptable if the batch falls within 5% of standard deviation. Third, weight variation test. Weight variation test would be a satisfactory method for determining drug content uniformity of drug distribution. In practice, this test is performed by taking 20 tablets for a batch. 20 tablets are weighed at a time and the average weight is taken, then the tablet is weighed individually. Third, hardness. Hardness of the tablet is important for drug products that have bioavailability problem or that are sensitive to altered dissolution release profiles as a function of the compressive force employed. Tablet hardness is the force necessary to break the tablet diametrically. The tablets must be hard enough to withstand mechanical stress during packaging, shipment and handling by the consumer. To test the hardness of tablet, Monsanto tester, Erveka tester are used. The principle of measurement involves subjecting the tablets to an increasing load until the tablet breaks or fracture. The load is applied along the radial axis of the tablet. Fifth test is friability test. Friability is tested for tablet to see whether the tablet is stable to abrasion or not. It is tested by using Roche-free ablator. This is made up of a plastic drum fixed with a machine which is rotated at 25 rpm for 100 revolution. Then the 20 tablets which were weighed prior to test are taken out of the drum and cleaned with a cloth and weighed once again. The weight variation must not be less than 0.5 to 1.0% for a conventional tablet. Sixth, disintegration. Disintegration is the first physical change observed for a drug when it's entered into body. As per USP, the disintegration apparatus consists of 6 glass tubes with a 10 number mesh at the bottom. Each tube is 3 inch long. This arrangement of 6 tubes is placed in a medium stimulated to the disintegration environment, which is maintained at 37 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius in 1 liter vessel. This system is made to move up and down through a distance of 5 to 6 semi at a frequency of 28 to 32 cycles per minute. Time is observed in which the whole tablet mass is passed through the mesh. Seventh is drug content. 20 tablets are weighed and powdered. A powder containing average weight of the tablet is taken. This powder is diluted with 100 ml of solvent. It is shaken for 15 minutes and sufficient solvent is added to produce 200 ml. 10 ml of the filtered is diluted to 100 ml with solvent. Absorbance is measured at absorption maxima in UV spectrophotometer. The content of the drug is calculated. Limit of the test is 90% to 110% of labeled amount of the drug. At last, dissolution test. Dissolution is the process in which a substance from a solution. Dissolution testing measures the extent and rate of solution formation from a dosage from such as tablet, capsule, ointment, etc. Dissolution of drug is important for its bioavailability and therapeutic effectiveness. Dissolution and drug release are the same terms. To properly evaluate the dissolution of drug products, it is critical for procedure to be standardized. This standardization helps to show consistent quality in production and may serve as a predictive measure of efficacy. Dissolution test uses an apparatus with specific test condition in combination with acceptance critical to evaluate the performance of product. Rate and extent of drug release from the tablet is estimated by dissolution test. Different types of apparatus are used to study the dissolution test of the tablet as per IP. Apparatus 1 pedal and apparatus 2 basket. Finally, complete the given tablet sample was evaluated. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.